13 and I'm going to show you the wheelchair entrance to get in. So this is the wide access pass and fast track entrance. So here we go.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Am I in your video?
It's okay. Let's follow it right here. Are you okay, Lee? Following it round. Keep following it round. And here you see fast track or wide access pass. And of course we need wide access pass. So go that way. And we carry on going. And then I'll show you what's else going on there. And today there's a bit of a queue for this.
A few moments later.
So coming on that band here. Keeping on in this queue. Then you come out the same way as everybody else. No, this is to show you the way out. Oops. Down this way. And obviously then, you then come to the ride photos.